How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. We're gonna do a recap on GameStop with Roy and Kitty's live stream. So let's just go over what we noticed. Where do we look for entries? And it's kind of sad, but I kind of expected this. I didn't want to overhype this up, but on this candle right here, we were very close to the 4 ATR at the upper band. And as I've been telling repeatedly, and if you watch my other videos, we do not buy when price is in the black area. I don't care how overhyped the thing is, it's just too risky. Was I expecting this to go above the bands? Something like this candle here? Absolutely. Anything's possible. And just didn't happen. So your risk versus reward, you have to always, take in effect. So what's the roaring thing? Is this a dud play? I will say this: we are bouncing off of the EMA 20 right in here to a T. This is a very good entry point. I do like the best under the band like this, under the EMA 20. Like this right in here is the best, as you can get nice conservative gain to this purple band here and yellow. As you can see, that's where we had this nice bounce, and then we went back under the EMA 20 and then had a nice massive room up. The problem is, if you guys don't know me, guys, I do the band strategy and I correlate average true ranges with exponential moving averages, and then the KDJ, which is a stochastic oscillator. So when I see candles like this, these are not your best risk versus reward type of scenarios, right? So, for everyone that has my strategy, I'm going to show you guys how you need to start doing the intraday, strategy to get precise entries. Once we know the daily is under the EMA 20, then we can start swinging. We will do swing trading strategies. But until then, this is day trading, like to a T. And I can show you guys where you could have been making massive money on GameStop. So if you guys don't have this system, do join the premium Discord below in the YouTube comments. It's only $6 a month, and you can see the link to join. It'll be pinned in my YouTube comments. It's be very easy to join. I think you guys are gonna really like it. So this is GameStop, and what we want to see is intraday timeframes. The daily is not under the EMA 20. The EMA 20 could definitely act as support to a T. I have seen it so many times. This is a very crucial level. And if it don't act as support, then we get under the EMA 20, like these candles here, and we could look for some very nice, precise entries. So what we want to do is look at the 5-minute chart. Actually, not 5 minute. I looked at 1 minute and 5 minute. What we do with the 1 minute and 5 minutes, since this is an average true range of 4 at the green band, that is where we look for entries. So as you can see, all throughout here, throughout the day, it's just consolidating. The bands are really tight, and it's about to make a big move one way or the other. What you want to do, and this is when the stream was happening, right in here at 12 o'clock. And I was alerting right in here, GME was about to have a bounce. I said that in the Discord. And right in here, GME, right here, is going to have a pullback. A lot of people got overhyped about it and then started back holding, unfortunately. But right in here is where you want to look for the entry. It was a very nice entry. As we hit the lower band, you would put your entry right at here at the low of the candle, and then this next candle at 11:07 would have got you in. And who wouldn't have loved this profit from $32 all the way up to $38? That is massive gain, very nice. And then it does the same scenario right in here to a T. As you can see, we hit the lower band at the 1 minute time frame, so we put our entry right just right under it, and then we look for a position, and as you can see, in 1 minute time frame, you got 6% and then some, and then it goes down. What you really want to aim for, guys, is the rebalance of price. In every time frame, like in the daily, as you can see, price has to hit your reversion to the mean. It doesn't matter what kind of rally it is, hype it is, short squeeze or whatever. When price goes way above the bands, it comes shooting down to hit the reversion of the mean, which is the EMA 5 for the fastest reversion of the mean, the EMA 10, and then the EMA 20. It has to do that, and it will do that all the time. It just has to do that, right? So, but you might ask, well, when does it do that? Well, EMA 5 will hit your EMA 5 very soon. I've seen like within a day or two it hit it. Anything that don't hit the EMA 5 in 5 days, daily candles is super long. And as you can see, when we went away from the EMA 5 in 2 days, we hit it on the third day. And that's kind of what we're seeing here. We had this big massive move up on the daily, and we hit the EMA 5 right here to a T. Then we had this next big massive move up, and then we hit the EMA 5, but it just goes right through, because you got to realize, you're not supposed to keep relying on your EMA 5. Eventually, you're going to hit the EMA 10 and 20, and that's what we did today. So we got the reversion out of the mean done, and now we can make the step up. But we want to go in these lower time frames to be like, okay, just because we like the play doesn't mean we just get in. I know a lot of people probably got in on this big hype. I mean, look at these 1 minute candles. It was just going up so fast. But this right here was the entry for a scalp day trade. Until that daily candle is under that EMA 20 and we have time distance of the EMA 5, then I will look for the swing trading strategy. But until then, we're day trading this, and as you can see, we have this nice reversion to the mean of the 5 and the 10, and right there is just a nice gain. This one decided to do way more than that. It hit the 5, 10, 20, and went way up. And the best way to catch those is, honestly, either have a stop loss and try to ride it up as much as you can, or trail stop. There's really like no perfect way, but at least you're getting precise entries and you're not just like randomly guessing, right? This is honestly the best way to do it, because I love swing trading. My bread and butter type of plays are bottom reversals. My favorite plays are when price is near the lower band and there has not been a daily candle that hit the EMA 10 and 20 for some time. And so what happens is price tends to hit these EMA 10 and 20. And we will see that over and over again. GME, we did 2 swing trades on it. This was a nice play right here in the Discord, I remember. This was a very beautiful play, as you can see, from $16 all the way to $19. And that's how you get consistent wins, guys. So this is real talk. Was it a whole flop? I don't think this thing is just going to flop down. 600,000 people are watching it. We are holding the EMA 20 stable. It's just that people got wrong entries, and so now they're freaking out, and it just became a sad story again, where people bought the high of this candle here, and now they're back holding, and then this thing pumps up all the way over here, and hopefully somebody in here, got rid of their bags, but now people over here are holding bags, and it's just a cycle, cycle and cycle. Warren Kitty, is in the game because he guarantee you he bought right down in this area, either here or here. This is the area I was calling out in my YouTube videos. This is extremely bullish, as this has a depression candle. It's like the last attempt for the shorts to go out. We had time distance of the EMA 5 and 10. We knew we were going to hit those, and we were under the EMA 20, so to jump right back up, and look at this gain from $18, and we went to a high of 47. That was an insane return. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel. If you want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6, guys. And how you join is, what you want to do is go to the YouTube comments. It'll be a pinned comment from me that says, join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is read how to subscribe. It's super easy, but this is good knowledge if you need it. And also avoid scammers. There's going to be people that DM you, impersonate me, and they will try to get to sell you something. Remember, I never message you first, and I only have the $6 subscription that I offer. What you want to do is hit premium chat under subscriptions, and when you do that, it will ask you to subscribe for only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. It's funny because it's so cheap that it sounds too good to be true, and it really is just an established amazing deal. And I want every account to be able to do this strategy, or at least just give it a try, right? So when you come in the Discord, do subscribe on your computer if you can. It will get rid of the iOS fee, and when you do, what you get is my RTK swing trades. These is where you're going to get alerted on your phone. So if you have like no time to really do things and you don't have time to look at charts, I'm here for you guys. I have the perfect, I know what strategy has been doing because I've been doing this for over 6 years, and I have an over 95% win ratio. And that is a fact, and I have that with proof because I am very patient. And the main thing is to properly accumulate. And so if you want to learn how to accumulate, please watch this accumulation video, and watch my indicator video, how to get your chart to look like yours. And then my RTK journal is the most transparent thing I can think of. If you want to look at my actual trades, just hit my journal. You can see my stocks with my averages. But I'm very excited. It looks like if you did get a good entry, GameStop is looking very good at this EMA 20 bounce here, and if it doesn't, we look for this system right over here and we accumulate down here. This is looking for a good starter ad if you were able to look for the EMA 20 bounce and see where it goes from there. But yeah, this is my ending. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like the video, do give it a like. I read your comments. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And if you want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 a month. I'm here for you guys. I want everyone to be successful. There's no pumping. It's just what does the system tell you, and we follow this. Because as you can see, price goes in waves. When you go up, you go down, you revert to the mean, and then you go back up. And we're just trying to figure out that reversion to the mean. Hope you guys liked the video. Peace out and take care.